friends. It's Renee at Salem Public Library in Salem, Ohio. And our story today is a brand new Jan Thomas book called Chicken Who Couldn't, or The Chicken Who Couldn't. If you've been to my story times before or listen to me do stories, I love Jan Thomas. Her books are a lot of fun. So we're going to dive in and see what these chickens are up to now. These chickens in Jan Thomas books, I don't know. I mean, there's that one where they smash, oh no, that's the cows that smash chicken's couch. But yeah, the chickens are usually up to something. All right. Well, chicken's riding in the back of the truck. And the farmer says, don't worry about a chicken. Maybe next year you'll win a ribbon at the fair. I can't win a ribbon, farmer. Well, that's not a very good attitude. Bump. Farmer? Bump! Hey, farmer! That's probably not good. Chicken flew right out. Farmer! Come back! Farmer left me. I can't walk all the way back to the farm. I just can't. The Chicken Who Couldn't by Jan Thomas. And this one's published by Beach Lane Books. Could you fly back to the farm? What? Who said that? Me. I said that. Well, I can't fly, see? Hey, wait, he's off. Chicken's off the ground a little bit. Look at me. Whoa. I didn't think chickens could fly. What? We can't? Oh no. He's gonna fall, isn't he? That's right. Oh, he's got a book that says all about chickens. That's right. Says right here that chickens aren't built for flying. We aren't? Chickens can only fly short distances. Short distances? Oh no. Kind of crashed. You should just walk from now on, chicken. Walk all the way back to the farm? I told you, I can't. You have to try, chicken. You have to. Come on. Okay, I'll try. Okay. But watch out for the fox on the road. The fox? You mean the fox that eats chickens? That fox? Yeah. Just hide if you hear a noise. Yeah, hide. Hide. Okay. I sure hope I don't hear a noise. There goes Chicken. He's going to walk back to the farm. What's that rustling? I heard a noise. Where do I hide? Oh, there, in that hole. Let's go in that hole. Oh. Hello? Please don't eat me, please. Yes, well, I'm sure you are very tasty and everything, but I'd rather not eat you. I would like you to move. I'm a mole and you're in my hole. Oh, okay, no problem. Actually, we might have a bit of a problem. Oh, it's chicken stuck. Yep, we have a problem. A problem? Oh, hi, Turtle. Chicken is stuck in my hole. Oh no, the chicken in the mole hole problem. That's the worst problem to have. The worst. You've heard of that problem? Nope, actually never heard of it. Oh. Anyway, I'll hurry over to rescue you. Great, thanks. Zippity, zippity, I'll be right there. Okay, now it's a a turtle, and turtles are not exactly known for their speed, so it might be a little bit before he gets there. Turtle to the rescue! Yay! I'll be right there in a flash. Oh, I think Chicken fell asleep. Wake us when you get here. 5 hours later, here I am, ready to rescue you. Fell asleep. Wow, great. I can't wait to see how you get Chicken out of my hole. Okay, get ready, everyone. Here goes. What's he gonna do? How's he gonna get him out? Oh, excuse me. Chicken, get out of Mole's hole. Well, I can't. Wait, what? That's all you're going to do? Just tell Chicken to get out of my hole? No, see, the problem with Chicken is with Chicken. He needs to believe in himself. He needs to realize he is a strong and powerful chicken. Me? That's right. He is the most strong and powerful chicken I have ever met. Have you ever met a chicken before? Well, no. Okay. Wow, me? Strong and powerful? Do you think I'm nice looking too? What? Nobody cares about that, Chicken. Yes, whatever, nice looking. Now use your strong and powerful and nice looking wings to push yourself out of the hole, Chicken. Okay, wiggle, wiggle. All right, let's wiggle. Let's wiggle and get out of that hole. Everybody wiggle. Pop! There. That was easy. Now, as you walk back to the farm, say these words. Okay. I am a strong and powerful chicken. I am a strong and powerful and nice looking chicken. Oh, brother. Remember what you're supposed to say. I'll remember. I am a strong and powerful and nice looking chicken. I am a strong and powerful and nice looking chicken. I am a strong and powerful and nice looking chicken. I am a strong and powerful and nice looking chicken. I am a strong and powerful and nice looking chicken. I am a strong and powerful and nice looking chicken. I am a tired chicken. Tired and... Oh, what was I supposed to remember? I can't remember. Wake. I'm a tired and weak chicken. Well, hello, Chicken. Oh, hello, Fox. Oh, I know what you want to do, Fox. Can't stop you. Oh, he's not gonna let the chicken eat it or the fox eat him, is he? You might as well gobble me up. I am a tired and weak chicken who can't go another step. You are a nice looking chicken. Nice looking. That reminds me of something I was supposed to remember. What was it? Can't remember. Excuse me, think you would be very good with salsa. You'll be a Southwest chicken. Salsa sounds nice. Oh, if only I could open this jar. Oh, Fox can't get his salsa jar open. Oh, here, let me get that. Chicken's gonna help him. There, that was easy. Oh, you are a strong and powerful chicken. Wait a minute. I am what is he? A strong and powerful and nice looking chicken. Yep. I remember now. Guess Chicken's getting self-support on him. I am a strong and powerful and nice looking chicken. Yeah. I am a strong and powerful and nice looking chicken. That's what I said. So there will be no Southwest chicken today, Fox. Oh, well, he told that Fox. Yikes. Okay then, Chicken. I am a strong and powerful and nice looking chicken. I am a strong and powerful and nice looking chicken. He made it home. There's Farmer. He made it back to the farm. But why do you smell like salsa? 1 year later, just look at all the ribbons you won at the fair, chicken. I won because I believe in myself. I am a strong and powerful and nice looking chicken. There he is with all his ribbons. Oh no, isn't that the same bump that threw him out of the truck last year? They need to fix the roads. Farmer! Oh boy, here we go again. And that's the end. So that was The Chicken Who Couldn't by Jan Thomas. I hope you guys enjoyed. That one was pretty silly. And I'm glad that chicken didn't get eaten at the end. That's good. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.